How to delete or remove someone from your family account on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to delete or remove someone from your family account on Cash App. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. On this page, there are various options and sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From there, tap on the profile icon. It is this icon that appears here at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. On this page, you are in the Cash App profile section where you can manage your account settings, personal information, linked banks, and other options. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap Support. After tapping it, wait for the support page to finish loading before continuing. This is the Cash App support section where you can find help for different account issues. Under the support categories, tap on Account and Settings to access options related to managing your account and settings. Here, you are in the Account and Settings support section, where you can find help for managing your Cash App account, profile, and security settings. After that, scroll down to the Related section and tap Cash App for Families. This option provides information and tools for managing family-related features within Cash App. On the next page, you will see several other options that are related to Cash App families. From them, look for one named Ending a Sponsorship. Once you do that, you will land on this page here. On this page, you are in the Ending a Sponsorship support section, where you can find help for managing account closures, savings features, and interest payouts. Scroll down to the Contact section and tap Chat. This option provides a direct line to Cash App support, where you can open a live conversation window to resolve your issue. So go ahead and chat with the support team. Explain to them the issue you are facing and send them the message. They will respond to you with a solution. Thanks. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue. That is, how to delete or remove someone from your family account on Cash App.